millions of lines of code. So we split this up into 3 code bases. Then each of these code bases will have their own backend, each with a load balancer, and sometimes their own database. Then when we emails. So instead of us creating our own email microservice, our backend can just send requests to Twilio's backend. When a company provides a backend and an API that outside applications can use, this is called a SaaS, software as a service. Pretty much everything you do in the backend that's complicated, there's probably a SaaS company out there that already provides that service, and you just use that service instead of building your own microservice. So these 3 concepts we just looked at, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, are the 3 foundations of cloud computing. These days, most companies use cloud computing to run the backend for their websites instead of buying and managing physical servers themselves.
AI is changing the game for app development. Firebase is here to help. We offer a platform designed to support you throughout your app and business's journey.
In this last section, I want to introduce some additional technologies you might see in the backend. Previously, we mentioned the databases MySQL, Postgres, and MongoDB. These are sometimes called primary databases because they're the main database that our website uses. Generally, we start our backend with a server and a primary database, and then bring in these additional technologies if we need to. If we allow our users to upload images, a primary database is not good for storing images, so we would use a blob store like AWS S3 and a CDN like CloudFront to store and load user uploaded images. If we want to allow text search, primary databases are very slow at text search, so we would bring in a search database like Elasticsearch. If our website is getting a lot of traffic and we need to take some stress off our primary database, we would add a cache like Redis to improve performance. If we want to do data science, we don't want to do the data analysis using our primary database. It's busy running our website. So we would copy all of our data into an analytical database like Snowflake, which is really good for doing data science on the side. If you want to schedule a task for later, for example, Amazon might want to email the users before their Amazon Prime subscription renews, we would use a job queue like RabbitMQ to schedule this task for the future. And there's a bunch more technologies like these out